Hey everyone, so in tonight's video I'm going to be sharing with you my Raskog carts. They're all decked out for Halloween and I figured I would give you guys a little tour of them both. So I pulled everything out and loaded up my Raskog carts. So I'm just going to go ahead and zoom in and show you guys what's on my carts. So this is my first cart and it basically has just things for Happy Mail, maybe some crafty things that I might want to use on a project. These orange bins I got at, I believe, Dollar Tree last year. I went back this year and they didn't have them, so I don't know where else you could pick these up, but I did find these at Dollar Tree and I just love them because they're orange, they store everything, and they make my cart look super organized and cute. So all of this is my crinkle paper. I love using crinkle paper. I have it in like every color, so I have purple, orange, black, all the colors for Halloween. This bin has all my little containers, so anything that I want to send out for Happy Mail, maybe if I want to use some things for my kids' classes. So it's just got little containers. You guys saw me haul these in my 99-cent store haul. So I have another little, I have cauldrons that I got from Target that are not in there, but so yeah, so that's what's on top. So the second shelf is basically more little pails, those piñatas that you guys saw me haul. I'll link both my Dollar Tree and my 99-cent store haul in the description box below. I have some tissue paper, I have candy corn tissue paper and regular black and orange tissue paper. This bottom bin has the picks from Dollar Tree and 99-cent store. I have some pom-poms from last year. These little flare buttons from last year as well. What else? Let's see. I have just some foam stickers that I've picked up from like Joann's, Michael's. These felt skeleton pieces. So just little things like that. And then this clip-on spider I picked up from Michael's, I believe. I just have them sitting there. I have these black books that I picked up from Target. They're just blank black books with black pages, and I picked them up, I believe, last year or the year before. And I always put them out. I never know what to do with them, so I'm hoping that maybe I can figure something out this year. And then on the side over here, I just have a bunch of stickers. So these are just stickers from Dollar Tree, some that were gifted to me. And then down there, I have little ceramic cauldrons that I picked up at Michael's, and they just have my wooden stamps. So I don't have a ton of Halloween wooden stamps, but the few that I do have, I just put in there. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and take you guys to the next Raskog cart. So this is my second Raskog cart. These are the IKEA knockoff, bootleg, whatever you wanna call them, little planters that I picked up from Target last year. They have them this year as well. So first off, in this jar, I have all my twines. So you guys saw me do my stash series. If you haven't seen it, I'll link it down below. But that's where I store all my twines. This is where I store some of my ribbons. Like I said, I'll go ahead and link my stash series down below so you guys can check it out. And then in this jar, I just have my washi tapes. So you guys probably saw all these already. In this tall glass jar back over here, I have my sewn crepe paper on some wooden spools. I have a video that I'm gonna do showing that as well in the near future, so look out for that. I really wanna fill this up to the top, so we'll see, I might make some more. And in these planters, I have just some black and orange straws because I have so many of these straws and I want to use them. I even have some on a shelf that's over my desk, so I really want to use them up, so I figured if I have them out, then I will be able to use them. And then the last two bottom rows of the cart are very simple. I have my embellishment jars, and then in the back I just have some empty planter containers that are there just in case if I need them. And then down there I have all my scraps. So what I did, I have some Rubbermaid bins where at the end of the month, I just kind of throw everything in there. And I really went through all my scraps and papers for Halloween, and I took out all the papers that I would like to use up this year. So I just put everything down there, and it's also got my chipboard stickers and stuff down there as well. So those are my two Raskog carts that I have all set up for Halloween projects. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed and you'd like to be, just go ahead and click the subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when I upload videos, just go ahead and hit the notification bell. Thanks again for watching, and I'll talk to you tomorrow night. Love you guys.